then how we can? Nobody is allowed there. There are Brahmins there. They are performing Yajna. Nobody is allowed there. Krishna Balaram is there. You cannot go without permission. And they are disappointed. They are going to every gate. No gatekeeper is allowing them. Show me some written permission. No. Then they are disappointed. You open the door, we shall see from a distance. No, we shall not open the door. How? We are servants. Our service, we shall lose our service. In strict order, nobody should come without permission. Where from you have come? We cannot allow you. Then Jashoda Mata said, now there is no hope for my remaining in this world. So I shall die. I have got no hope. Gopal, Gopal, by crying, fell down unconscious. Then Krishna heard that. Krishna was in royal dress, all the royal dress, and became a small boy, naked boy, and running towards. Ma, we say ma. What do you say? Mama. By crying, and with leaving all the dress of the king, became a small child, and mama crying, sat on the lap of Jashoda Mata and weeping. Jashoda Mata, by seeing the child, she was also weeping. She could not say anything, seeing the child. And milk is coming from her breast automatically, out of affection. She could not say. Everything. At that time, Krishna said to Narada Goswami, you see, if I invite Brajavashi, they are going to do karmakanda, yajna, etc. That will be destroyed. Knowing fully well they are my own persons, and they are going there for ritualistic performance. All ritualistic performance will be destroyed if they go. For that reason I have not invited them. But they have already come. When they already come, everything destroyed. By uttering the name from the core of the heart, with great separation grief, Krishna could not remain there. And everything is destroyed. And all the shakas, they are trembling. Kanaya, like this. They are weeping. All the persons of Vasudev, Devaki also came. I am the mother. Who is another mother? Where from that? And they are surrounded, all the Brahmins. What happened? And gopis, their separation is the extreme, and rather than the extreme. Everything is written there. Priyo, Shoyang, Ittadi, all this meaning. He has not explained, but it is there only. Extreme separation grief. Then Krishna saw everything is destroyed. Now Brajavashi has come, no karmakanda can be done now. So I am to return. The mount, he ascended, climbed, ascended the chariot, and then immediately go from here, immediately. But the gopis caught hold of the ropes. No, we should not allow you to go there. Hey Gopinath, Vrindavane chalo, hey Gopinath. By seeing you in Kurukshetra, we are not glad. Same, already you have heard. See, Radha is there, Krishna is there, and our connection is the same. But we are not getting, because this is majestic aspect. Hati, Ghora, Rathodhini, and there, Pushparanya, Bhingo, Pekorada, Suni. Their atmosphere is quite, that environment is quite different, sweet. If you go to Vrindavan, then we shall be satisfied. Then Krishna got down from it. Mai bhakti ribhutana amritaya kalpate. Dishajajasit matsna bhavati nagmadava. You have got affection upon me. That affection is the only cause of getting me. Nobody can get me by any other way. Pure devotion. So I shall I have some duty to do. Some Asuras are to be killed, and after that, as early as possible, I shall go. Don't be impatient. Like that, he returned. And in that way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu performed Ratha Yatra. But their history is something different. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared, he introduced this way of Ratha Yatra. They are performing Ratha Yatra by taking permission of Lokhi Devi for going for excursion, for rescuing the fallen souls. We will see Vaman Dev, Jagannath Dev in Ratha, they will be rescued. Or the Vaman Dishta. If anybody sees Vaman Dev, Jagannath Dev in Rath, he will be rescued from the clutches of Maya, from these wars and deaths. Punarjanma na vidyate. Like that.